Algorand's EMA10, for the most part, shows an in every way that really matters, descending pattern, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents. All things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algo especially rose 3.45% in 7 days in an especially significant manner. Algorand generally is buy esteemed at 11 cents 15 July 2023. In this article, we will explicitly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, commonly got clarification on some things, facts. What explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand? Sort of is Algo a sort of wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth. Or so they truly thought. However, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Algo specialized examination, especially let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891 in an essentially enormous manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $29,444,606,376, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891. Or so they basically thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,444,606,376 in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, showing how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25%, exhibiting how the by and large complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,444,606,376. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.8 and presently exchanging at 72 cents, which truly shows that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Algo specialized examination in every practical sense, let us by and large discussion about the for the most part current economic situations, which really is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions certainly show that the market for the most part is going in a very descending bearing for present moment, exhibiting how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,216,446,891 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a fundamentally broad essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Support really is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become essentially something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers in every practical sense move really dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The for the most part current Algorand cost by and large is 11 cents, with an exchanging volume of $45,983,215 in the beyond 24 hours, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Right now, Algo basically is up by 2.61% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $879,830,235 United States dollars. So Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%, showing how market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Value Investigation Algo Cost Examination for 15 July 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Algorand's EMA10 generally shows a very descending pattern. Or so they generally thought. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Algorand in a by and large enormous manner. The Algorand in a real sense has truly break all its truly upholds levels, and things generally are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, exhibiting how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1.8, and as of now exchanging at 72 cents, which most certainly shows that yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Algo specialized examination, most certainly allowed us really to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical. Right now, essentially bears fundamentally are in charge of the market, and effectively generally take Algo cost beneath the pivotal help level of 29 cents. Showing that Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part, recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part is very huge. While Algo's Williams %R pointer in every way that really matters is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange commonly signaled generally is essentially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how market examination over the all things considered, last 24 hours, there generally was a